It's Christmas Eve tonight, so the dawn of sadness ends. On the snowy mountainside, warm memories begin. I will bake Mom's cookies and practice Dad's handshake on the snowy mountainside. My brothers will come home again.